Welcome to Digital Purchase Order. This is a quick introduction on how to track invoices for PO books. To activate this feature, please visit the Settings section and select the Users tab. Here, you can edit the profiles of relevant users by ticking the checkbox Can Manage Invoices. When using the Invoice feature, you can choose between two modes. The Simple mode allows you to add the invoice number and invoice date, as well as the corresponding order number. Below this, you can insert a name and the net price of the invoice and also add notes. If you are using the Advanced mode, you can track invoices against the items within the PO. In this way, DPO will know whether all invoices have been received or whether there are still outstanding bills. To select your desired mode, please go to the Settings section. Select the Invoices tab and choose the corresponding invoice setting. DPO's purchase orders are created with net totals only, but invoices often include taxes or VAT. Therefore, you can predefine tax settings within the Settings section. Simply go to Taxes. Here, click on the pen icon next to any available line and create your tax setup by entering a name. You can also define whether this tax should be visible for the Invoice feature. Additionally, the tax selection can be set as a required field. Since tax items may have different percentages, you need to decide whether users should enter the tax percentage manually or select it from a predefined list. If you have many different tax rates available, you can also create a searchable list. Once this is done, press Save, click the arrow icon on the left-hand side, and then click the plus button on the right. Here, you can define the tax value and optionally define a valid time frame. Assign a name and optionally define a valid time frame. With this setup, you can return to your invoice dataset and select the relevant taxes. Please note that you are not limited to only one tax item. If your country uses multiple taxes, DPO can support this by allowing multiple tax selections for invoices. If you have permission to edit invoice entries, simply click on the PO and select the corresponding invoice item. At the bottom, you can either edit or completely delete this dataset. If you are using our attachment feature, you can also upload an invoice receipt here. The uploaded file will then appear as an attachment within the PO itself, allowing you to keep all invoice-related information together in one place. If you have any further questions, please send us an email at support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call at +1 888 3767 254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience.